Yeah, when we teach subjects in isolation, we're not allowing our students to understand the full picture of what actually is happening in the world around them. None of our subjects happen in isolation in the world beyond our four walls at school. So I think bringing the depth of connecting reading and math and science and social studies, bringing them all together, shows kids what really the world is like.
Yeah.
And helps paint a picture and helps them become involved members of our community before even leaving school. In isolation, they have less purpose.
Sure.
Okay, I'm learning how to multiply. Well, but why? That question I always asked when I was a little kid. Why? Well, you need to know your facts. Why? Well, because they're important to know. But if you actually are talking to your kids about, well, you need to know your multiplication facts because multiplication is really important when you are running a small business. And when you're running a small business, you may need to be able to keep, records of what you've bought and what you've sold. And you might have to use a spreadsheet for that. And you might use a scientific data table in order to, calculate what you've made and what you've lost. And all these things all of a sudden start becoming connected to each other.
Yeah.
They're not just a skill.
Yeah.
So it paints a bigger picture for our kids.
I would agree with that.